thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where we talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, FKX called this ready to bang signal, running out of room, Adam and Eve double bottom. This thing, the measured move was all the way up here, 30 cents. Took off immediately. One of the best parts of this channel is we nail the bangers, ready to bang. Now, it didn't quite make it to the measured move, but 31% gains out of FKX, which is huge. I mean, for you to have somebody in the channel say, hey, I'm about to make a video, and you make a ton of money. It's that simple. Now, just think about it. Like, you got to be in the right coins, and 31% bangers, a great way to start the day off. Grab one of these every day or every couple days. Your portfolio goes up really quick. Bitcoin 3-day. So Bitcoin just had a recent drop. Sunday night, Monday morning, we're always looking for a move out of Bitcoin, right? So back here, if you see, you've got your high, and this is all the way back in April of 23. You've got your high, and then you've got a higher high. Well, in your RSI, you've got a high and a higher high. So this is not divergence. Now, after this inverse head and shoulders played out for this huge move to the upside that we've been in, now we've got a high and a higher high again, like we did back here. However, down in the RSI, it looks terrible. You've got a high and then a lower high. Downside price action possible if we lose this trend line. So let's talk about it now. Bitcoin bulls do not want to lose this level. Looks like they have, and they're bearishly retesting it right now. Main thing is we're going to look at some other time frames, but Bitcoin was at major resistance. This all started with a trap. And just know that any major moves in crypto are going to be fake outs. And that's why you have got to learn to counter trade them. And so this was a bull trap right here. Everybody is programmed, the bots, people program bots to buy the breakout of key levels. Well, this failed. And then you got this shoulder, head, shoulder. And then this broke down, regained the level, M pattern, and lost this level. This was very hard to trade. It was a bunch of garbage. But the key is it starts here. This is exactly what happened. It's $69,000 Bitcoin all-time high. It broke the all-time high, and then it came crashing down to $15,000 over the course of a year, right? So the bull traps, you have to counter trade the bull traps. Now, we've got a ton of good shorts in here, and then we made a ton of money trading right here with these altcoins, gem pick altcoins. Now, here we are. Bitcoin got rejected by this resistance. In group, I said, and I'll show you. In group, I said, hey, we need to see a retest right here. Otherwise, lower prices. If you're in a situation where you're losing money in this market, you don't have someone to lead you play by play through this market, why aren't you in the group? This is the biggest financial opportunity of your lifetime. And I've been doing this for years. I bought Bitcoin at $1,000. I've been doing this year after year. I've got thousands of people in a very successful trading group. I've got a very successful team. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. All day long, we post gems. And then I post them on Twitter, and I post them on YouTube as well. Shout out to this person. He says, thanks, Chris. I made 35% today on a gem. We need this. This person, really appreciate your words. Means a lot coming from you. I 2x my money since the last time we talked, and it was like a week and a half later. He doubled his money. just on some basic tweaks. Like most people are right there. Do you ever feel like you're right there and you're just missing a few things? There's some basic ideas that I can show you and it'll change the game completely. This person, I really missed the last bull run. Insane profit every day. Made me leave my dream job. He said, I got CBC in my life and I'm ready to rock again. This person had actually his first trade when he came in the group, he made $1,000. This person 4x'd his money on the Kucoin gem picks from $250 to $1,000. This person, he did the right thing. He moved to Dubai and he's up $82,000. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Nail banger after banger after banger after banger. If you go over to the 2-hour chart, I divided the chart into ranges, right? This is the top of the range because here's the top. Here's the bull trap. What happens after the bulls get trapped? The bulls get punished. Then double bottom. You'd long the breakout, which is here. And you had an amazing move to the upside. And then you had some total scam price action where Jumpstart, major liquidity provider for Bitcoin, market maker, completely wrecked as many people, stopped them out, wrecked all the leverage long traders, probably a lot of leverage short traders because it pumped immediately. And again, this is just the manipulation nonsense we deal with in crypto, right? As crypto gets bigger, as Bitcoin gets bigger, we won't deal with this stuff. But for right now, we have to acknowledge that it exists and we have to counter trade it. So here's another bull trap where you have this volume that comes in, right? But it doesn't break out. It comes up here and gets completely rejected. That is a strong rejection. That is not like, oh, I got rejected, I'm working my way down here. Like, this is rejection. That tells you a lot about the strength of the move, right? And so you'll hear words like bearish engulfing candle. And that's what all these candles right here working sideways since April the 27th over the last 3 days just completely got negated in one candle, in one hourly candle. This is a language that you need to learn to understand. Everything that I'm talking about, not going to know, you have to learn. And when you learn it, you create life-changing money because most people don't speak this language. Most people don't understand these ideas. Just watching this channel, group or no group, just watching this channel, you're going to make a ton of money. We have the next year and a half of overall Bitcoin mega bull run. Now, can Bitcoin put in some downside? And sure. But then from there, over time, Bitcoin halving coming in about a year, and then it's up only. Base melting price action. Like, you will not believe what's coming. The numbers don't even make sense. You see huge numbers. I just remember I bought my first car. Nice car. And I was just like, okay, this is legit. And that's why I started trading. And that's why years ago, 6 years ago, I started in crypto, is to change my life forever. And now I don't need to do this every day. I love it. I want to see as many people succeed as possible. That's what brings me purpose. That's what gives me purpose in life. The Fed meeting. Okay, so Fed FOMC meeting is coming May the 3rd at 2 o'clock. They're going to announce the Fed rate hike. The market's looking for about 25 basis points. That's what the market's looking for. So we don't want to see anything higher. They're already deciding to, bail another bank out. A lot of people are calling for a long-term recession. The economy is not good at all. I think more banks fail and Bitcoin takes off because all of a sudden it becomes a safe store of value. Because, I mean, there's only going to be 21 million ever made, and you're already at 19.5 million, close to. And then in less than a year, we have the halving, and half the amount of Bitcoin is going to be produced. But what if half the houses were built next year? What's the price of housing going to do? Double? Yes. Bitcoin is built to go parabolic, period. You guys, do not worry about these small pullbacks. It's not worth stressing over. Learn from it. Just practice shorting. What we don't want to see, we do have a shorting course, videos, Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so you got this rounded bottom. They pay the bills unless it's Bitcoin dominance. You do not want to see this thing break out, because this would mean 20 to 30% losses out of altcoins. Real quick, this is total too. This is the top 125 altcoins, not Bitcoin. This is their market caps. And you see all these green circles? This is support. This is support. This is resistance, 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 resistance. Remember this, previous support becomes future resistance. So it used to be the floor, you lose it on a bull trap, and now it gets rejected here, and it's the ceiling. It's the ceiling. After a bull trap, the bulls get punished. And so altcoins right here, and I need to pull this number because it's going to probably blow your mind. Altcoins right here, they lost 37%. The bull trap has just happened. If this level right here is lost, you better watch your altcoins, because you're coming down here. It doesn't matter. You just trade both ways. And the best part is you go to Kucoin, Bitcoin's dumping. These small caps don't even care. This is why we make so much money. This is why we do so well. Up 48%, 33%, 30%, 25%, 21, 21, 20, 16, 15, 15, 14. Hey, life-changing money is coming, and it's a lot better with friends. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.